Right now, boys and girls, just as a quick demo of what this VidCutter is capable of, let's just show you. I'm going to use Big Buck Bunny as a demo. A very well known short animated movie made entirely in Blender. This is quite versatile. You can either open files using the Open Media button, or you can just drag them straight across the window and drop them. Like that. And we can start playing down here. And having done that, we can of course then decide, okay, let's pause here. Let's just, right, now to cut, you simply set your start point, your stop point, and then you say the bit in between. So I'm going to set the start point by dragging the handle here. Bring that back to the exactly on the title one. We'll make that the start. That changes colour, goes to green. Let's drag it along and see what we've got. This is the point where he says, "Oh dear, the poor little butterfly's been flattened." Takes a jump out of the apple and buggers off. We'll make that the stop point. And then all you do, click on the save button, and that saves a chunk in between the start and stop points. Tell it where to save, usually alongside where you've opened it from. So we'll do like that. It'll do its thing for a little bit. You can see over here that's coming up. And there you go, ready to play. Now you can either play it here in the app itself. I'm not going to do that. I shall close this. Let's bring SM Player up. Just do an open file root. Miscellaneous demo videos. I'll just play the edit section, which is a bit I've just got out. There you go, you see. And then we come up to near the end, which is where he says, "Oh, bugger it, the poor butterfly is dead," and another one flutters after him. And that's the end of it. And that, boys and girls, is how you cut clips with VidCutter. Very, very simple. So simple a raw beginner could do it in minutes. Okay.